Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and signing in so the editor has access to your accounts. This gives you an editable local copy. Once done, download the account data you'll edit and set the campaign scope and date range so you don't import unnecessary history. Make sure to sync recent changes before you edit. That prevents conflicts later. You'll work offline but keep track of which account and campaigns are active because every upload will affect those exact entities. You'll spend most time making bulk updates. Filter to narrow to the elements you need, then use Find and Replace or the Bulk Edit pane to change bids, edit ad text, or pause items. Once you apply changes, use the Validate tool to catch common errors like missing final URLs or policy violations. Also manage shared assets, audiences, negatives, budgets to keep consistency across campaigns. After reviewing, use the change history. You finish by validating and previewing the upload. This step explains errors and allows you to fix issues without touching live campaigns. Then upload changes and immediately scan the upload log for rejects or warnings because small rejections can stop larger updates. If something looks wrong in the ads account, pull a fresh download to reconcile differences and reapply missing edits. A common troubleshooting tip: clear the editor cache and re-authenticate if sync or unknown conflict errors keep a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.